Hey, good morning, everybody. So, kind of in wishy-washy market this morning, right? We started off this morning. The Dow was up a nice, the Nasdaq was in the crapper, the S&P was kind of floating down, and it kind of reversed there couple hours ago, and then it kind of reversed again. This is what was expected, and we talked about this yesterday. Now, the market is waiting for the Fed, and it wants to hear a very specific tone, and what that is how are you going to address this rate when it goes over 2.25, like your target? Okay, because at this point it's almost at 1.7 this morning. It's about 1.68. It's moving quickly. This is a quick move over the last couple months for a 10-year rate. You guys, if you look at the history of it, it's not so much the move. The move is expected. You have to have inflation if you're going to have the kind of growth we're expecting, right? And we should get that growth because we're reopening an economy that's pretty much starting from the bottom. Now, you get a rate move from this. Now, this is a very unique situation, the COVID shutdown, right? We shut down a whole planet. So the thing's restarting right now. The growth is going to be incredible. Now, they base this 2.25 on 5 years ago. They were talking about that, right? That was they've been fighting for this. They've been trying to get inflation in the past because you had all this big economy, but you just couldn't get any price growth in it, right? And now all of a sudden, when they want to control it, it's out of control, right? That 2 to 2.25 target is an old target. So the market's going to want to hear these answers today. And then tomorrow morning, you've got labor reports, right? Here we go. Some fun tomorrow also too with earnings, right? You got Nike, you got Ali Bargain Basement, some big retail in there. Guess what? Everybody started getting their $1,400 today. So again, like what I told you about retail, remember how it affected the retail reports, the last two retail reports, right? Got a stimulus in the beginning of January. You had a great retail report in January. You had nothing in February. You had a lousy February. How's March going to do when you're putting out a stimulus like you did in January, and it's more than twice the first stimulus? Let's see how it goes. But inflation is the 4-letter word right now, guys. So for the rest of the day, guys, in our live room, we took a little poke at a VIX, and we're actually up about 25-30% on it. But just to kind of play real quick, we don't day trade normally, but in the live room to kill the boredom, sometimes we do. We took a little poke in the VIX, but for us right now, we're going to wait. We're going to see what the Fed says. We're going to see how the market reacts to it the last 2 hours of the market. It'll come out at 2:00. Of course, the market closes at 4. We'll see how the action goes and how it's digested. Then we'll see that those labor reports about an hour before the market opens tomorrow, and then we'll look to put money on the table once we see a little clarity, right? Remember, patience, guys. Even when you're trading short term, be patient. Yeah, don't let it come to you. Don't force it. Other than that, guys, it's Wednesday. It's hump day. Go enjoy the day. Go enjoy your stimulus. If you got your stimulus, man, go spend it. That's what they're waiting for you to do. Give them what they want. Anyways, guys, you have a great day. Okay, we'll be back tomorrow morning with another report. Don't forget, we put out a message yesterday. Our stock of the week, we're going to release it tomorrow morning because we actually have a couple really neat ideas, but we need to see which one fits into the climate going after those reports and the Fed report today. All right, guys, happy Wednesday. I'll see you guys in the morning.